I'm Raj Sukheja and come to talk to you about the business of tomorrow, the future of startups. We hear of such terms as artificial intelligence, in short called AI, deep technology, remote monitoring, remote control systems, IoT, which is Internet of Things, and so much more. These are the buzzwords of tomorrow. Actually, they are the buzzwords of today. Tomorrow is already here. It's here now. A lot of startups have paid focus or are paying focus to develop technologies on the front. The scope is enormous. So there are lots of advantages and lots of disadvantages that come along with technology. What are those advantages? Advantages, scene one, you have a smart house and you are going to go home. Your swimming pool, your fridge, your lighting, your air conditioning, your heaters are all connected to the internet and therefore to your phone, to your mobile phone. And you can make all necessary adjustments. By the time that when you reach home, your room is air cooled, your pool is got hot water in it, or your geezer's on, your security system is off for you to enter, and everything else that can be managed via remote. This is one end of the technology that we are going to be seeing or are already seeing right now. AI, we are looking at ChatGPT that is just on the horizon and improving on a rapid basis today. It's writing PhDs in a few seconds. It's creating stories for you in a few seconds. What does all this mean? It means that mankind is going redundant in certain areas. We are no longer required. Coding can be done by ChatGPT on certain parameters. But is that really true? Are we really going redundant? This is the question. Or do we need to learn new skills to adapt to the new technology? Because the old skills no longer have any relevance. The future belongs to technology. What used to take months and years to develop in terms of tech is being developed in days now. 3D printers can print buildings, they can construct. We can print guns from 3D printers. There is AI that is doing novel writing. It is writing thesis. We're writing programs. Coding is happening via AI. Security systems, surveillance systems, digital mapping, you name it. Technology is there. And we have computers that are super fast. We call them supercomputers. And now we are soon going to be seeing quantum processing as well, which will enhance the power of the computers further. So what used to take maybe years or months or decades to do will happen much sooner. But what does that mean? Are we becoming obsolete? That is the fundamental question. Now, this is a big question that we need to answer. Whether we are able to adapt to the technology that is progressing so fast that it's hard to keep track. Computers are becoming supercomputers. They are becoming, we're talking about quantum technology now. With the advent of quantum technology, a lot of inventions will happen so fast that it's going to be at breathtaking speed. Are we going to be able to manage this technology? Are we going to be able to use it for our future? Are we going to be able to harness that technology and manage it for our well-being rather than in an adverse fashion? These are all questions that no one can answer. I can debate, I can argue, I can imagine, but I can't answer those because I am sure everybody has an answer within themselves as to what we are doing with it. But having said that, technology gives us a great opportunity. It's an equalizer. Today, a small organization can do as much as an MNC with a team of 100 people can achieve using the same technology at minimal cost. That equalizes a lot of opportunities in business. And this is what we need to focus on. This is where we need to use technology because that will give us quality, it will give us delivery, it will give us support, and it will give us efficiency that we require. And we can compete with very large organizations in terms of delivery because information and technology go hand in hand. The right information is the right opportunity, utilized correctly. And that's the edge that technology gives us. As technology emerges, we need to adapt. That means changing specializations. We need to adapt to the technology, improvise ourselves, learn about the technology and how to utilize it better, how to derive more benefit out of it. And that is all we can do. That would mean efficiency, productivity, like I mentioned earlier. It would also mean that we are able to do much more than we can do today with much less effort. Therefore, it doesn't mean that we pay less effort, rather we do more quality work or we do more quantity work and improve our lifestyles to the best of the possibilities. There is much more to this, but in short, in respect to our topic, I think this concludes this discussion. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon for all future updates.